Today we're reviewing the Technica AT2040 hypercardioid dynamic microphone. I'm Tristan and thank you for visiting my channel. So I've had this microphone for about 2 weeks now, and I've used it a lot already for the spokesperson videos that I do on Fiverr. And as you may already know, I'm using the microphone right now. But this is what it sounds like after I master the audio in Premiere Pro. This is the raw audio from the microphone without any tuning. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So I'll quickly show you how I master the audio in Premiere Pro, and in my opinion, this gives the audio a night and day difference. First you go to your effects, find mastering, add it to the audio, and boom, boom, boom. Then I personally go back to effects, go to denoise, add that, but I drop it down to 5% just for that little boost. And just with these two effects, it adds a huge difference. So I ordered this microphone from Amazon, and in the description of this video you'll find a link to the product of the exact one that I got. It had the option on this microphone to add on a boom arm and cable straight from Technica, but I actually went and chose a different option just because the reviews on the boom arm said that it was really cheap and just bad quality. So this is the boom arm that I got. This microphone is XLR, so I bought an XLR to 3.5mm, and then I plug it into my Sony recorder and then just synchronize the audio in Premiere Pro. I could buy a cable that's long enough to run it all the way to my camera and just plug it in so it's already synchronized, but that would be too easy, right? Lastly, I want to compare this microphone, the Technica AT2040, to the Rode Lavalier Go, the Rode VideoMic Pro, and my iPhone 14 microphone. I know all these microphones are very different, but it's all that I got, and I thought it'd be interesting. Let's do it. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. All in all, I love this microphone, and I actually have matching headphones from Technica, the ATH M50s. Highly recommend these as well. And again, you can check out this exact microphone that I got by checking out the link in the description of this video. Also, remember to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I will see you guys in the next one.